guys, our next household repair tutorial is how to repair a clothes iron. Well, this is a simple one, and as long as the heating element is working, you can repair this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now the same basic principle in checking. First the cord, second the adjustable heating knob, next the bimetal of this adjustable knob, second, and third the fuse, we call it temperature fuse inside, and fourth the heating element. Okay, okay guys, so I tie it with apply power on this one on an outlet, and there was a short indication of power, but it is momentarily gone dead afterwards. So let's check further. We remove the connection here, and we'll check with the this is a very simple one only. We'll open it up now and check the inside. This is just a very simple clothes iron, and we will see if it has some it looks like there is no continuity here for the heating element. So let's open it further. Okay, let's check the heating element. Okay, heating element is still okay. Alright, let's check the adjustment, temperature adjustment knob. Alright, let's focus on that, and while we try this until it becomes off. Yeah, it's off. Yeah, it's working also. Yes, working. Now the problem is, I got the problem here. The problem is broken connection. Yeah, it should be like this, right? That's why it should be like this. This side, this is broken here, so well, this is simple. Oh, I'll have to, you see that? So this is broken from this side here, and this is the this is what we call a bimetal. When it's too hot, this opens up. Okay, when it's cold, it closes. Yeah. So what I do is just extend this and rivet it from this part here. That's the only way I could do. Right. So okay guys, I had found this strip of a brush, and then I will just I think I'm just gonna shape it a little bit. Now it's just a matter of riveting it.